Hello everyone, welcome to another AI tutorial video, or maybe this is a comparison video more so than tutorial video. Is Claude 2 AI better than ChatGPT-4? Now as you can see, this is a Claude AI. It is by Anthropic. They basically created an AI to compete with ChatGPT. Now on the other hand, we have ChatGPT, which most of you already know, as you can see right here. So let's take a look what are the main differences. So as you can see, Claude 2 is the newest large language model developed by Anthropic to complete text and code based tasks. So Claude 2 has opened the door for new opportunities for users when it saves output generation and a large size context windows. Now, the Claude 2 large language model is useful for analyzing large amounts of data as it allows inputs worth 100k tokens. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, Claude 2 large language model uses natural language processing, or NLP, machine learning and reinforcement learning from human feedback technology. So similar to ChatGPT, these technologies increase the input understanding and output quality of the Claude 2 model. Now, as you can see, is Claude better than ChatGPT? The Claude 2 model can complete most text-based tasks in seconds according to the user's instructions. For example, you can use it to generate a blog post, create an email template, summarize or extend your existing texts, or translate them in 10 plus languages. Now keep in mind that GPT-4 already updated, GPT Turbo, GPT Vision. So you have a lot of different other things, not just text-based tasks. So GPT-4 is a bit better when it comes to those type of tasks. So for example, you can't really go and compare Claude with GPT-4 because GPT-4 now has image input. You can also talk with GPT-4, which is like great. Over the iPhone, over the Android app, the ChatGPT app. And yeah, as you can see, Claude 2 advanced math, reasoning, and coding skills mean that it's also effective in the field of programming. Now, as you can see, however, Claude 2 does not have as many capabilities as GPT-4 has, such as web browsing, file analysis, and many more. As I previously said, visual input is one of them as well. Now, is Claude 2 free to use? Anthropic offers its users two different pricing plans, which you have Claude Instant and Claude 2. The first pricing plan is Claude Instant, has low latency and charges $1.63 per 1 million tokens. And Claude 2 pricing plan promises superior performance and charges $11 for every 1 million tokens. Now, basically, what is the verdict for this particular comparison? I would say ChatGPT is better when it comes to a lot of things, but if you want to use just text-based and you want to try out Claude, then definitely try out Claude. You can try it out at claude.ai/login and you will be able to go and talk with Claude, but just continuing with Google here. So yeah, there you have it. Basically, again, ChatGPT-4 is a clear winner here. And I would recommend ChatGPT-4 for anyone that wants to go into the AI world completely, and as a beginner as well. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, comment down below which one is your winner and your opinion, and we'll see you in the next video.